Welcome children. How are you doing? Are you enjoying the weather? Well, I know you cannot go outside, but you can stay inside and enjoy the lovely rain, right? Yes. So children, as we have finished with our lessons, we shall do the exercises in the textbook. Okay? So I want you to go and get your EVS textbook and a pencil. Okay? You will get it and come right now. Can you do that? Perfect. So children, do you remember the homework I had given to you last time? Well, I gave you page number 11, 12 and 13, right? Did you do it? Well, if not, then we will do it all together, okay? So, I have black, white, red hair. What you have to do in this? You have to look at the pictures and color the correct box, okay? So, if you have not brought your colors, can you please go and bring your colors? Great. So, I have the blue color with me, okay? I'm going to use blue, okay? But you can use any color you want, alright? So, I have black, white, red hair. So, which color hair do you have, children? Black, right? So, we are going to color the black box, okay? There, alright? Next, I have 5, 1, 2 eyes. How many eyes do you have, children? 2, right? So, we are going to color this box. Next, I have 6, 8, 10 toes. How many toes you can see here? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 10. Perfect. So we are going to color the 10 toes, okay? I mean the box, sorry. The next one. I have black, white, red teeth. Can you see here, children? Which color are they? Are they black or white or red? They are white, right? So you will color the white box here. Make sure, children, that you don't color outside the box, okay? The next one. I have 1, 2, 3 hands. How many hands do we have, children? We have 2 hands, right? So we are going to color this box. The next one. I have 1, 10, 8 fingers. How many fingers do we have, children? We have 10 fingers, right? 5 on the left side and 5 on the right side. So we are going to color the 10 one. With this, we will complete page number 11. So now moving on to page number 12, okay? What is the first one? Can you see, children? Which part of the body is this? Now, in this one, we have to fill the missing letters and we have to complete the name of the body part, okay? The first one is hair. So, H-A-I-R. Hair. Alright? The next body part is ear. So, you will write E-A-R. Ear. The next one. This is, children, which body part is this? Arm. A-R-M. Arm. The next one we have here is, children, which body part is this? Perfect. It's the leg, okay? L-E-G. Leg. Next one on the top we have is, children, which body part is this? It's the eye. So, E Y-E, I. Next one we have is children, which body part is this? Right here what we have is your nose, right? It's the nose. So N-O-S-E, nose. The next one we have is, children, which body part do we eat with? Mouth. Perfect. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. The next one we have is perfect, hand. H-A-N-D. And the last one what you can see here is perfect, feet. F-E-E. Okay? Did you write this? Perfect. The next one. Circle the objects you use to keep yourself clean. Okay? You have to circle the things which you use to keep yourself clean. Okay? The first one we will circle is shampoo, nail cutter, towel, toothbrush and toothpaste. Then we have is soap, right? Yes. So with this, okay, we have finished page number 12. Children, I hope that you have done the same way, okay? If you have not done the same way, then please correct. Alright children, with this, we will move on to the next page, okay? Page number 13. Complete the names of the body parts shown below. Okay? You know all these names, right? We just have to fill in the letters. Alright? So we will say the names together first. Okay? Which body part is this? Toe, teeth, ear, hair, knee and tongue. Alright? So now we are going to write T-O-E-S, toes. Okay? The next one is teeth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Ear. E-A-R, ear. Next is hair. H-A-I-R, hair. Next, knee. K-N-E-E, knee. Next is tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Alright children? So this is how you're going to do this exercise. Okay? So with this we will turn to page number 20. Alright? We have finished with animals, right? Yeah. We have done wild animals, domestic and pet animals. Children, can you remember wild animals, domestic and pet animals? Yes, we had done this, right? Yeah. And we had also done aquatic animals and sound of animals. And we also did food habits. Which animal eats meat? Which animal eats only grass or leaves? Or the animals eating both grass and leaves. We have also done all these things, children, okay? If you don't remember, please go through the video, okay? And we have also done animal that gives us food, right? Which animal gives us milk and egg and meat and fish and wool and honey, right? I hope children you remember. Okay, if you don't remember, please go through the videos again. Alright? Okay, so children, with this we start with the exercise, okay? The first exercise is fill in the blanks. Sheep gives us What does sheep gives us, children? Sheeps, they give us wool. So W-O-O-L. Wool. Okay? Next. A dash guards our house. Which animal guards our house? Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Next. We can ride on a horse. Okay? So H-O-R-S-E. Horse. The next one. The tallest animal is? Children, which is the tallest animal? Giraffe, right? Giraffe, right? We will write it down. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Okay? The next one is a cow gives us dash. What does a cow give us, children? Milk. Yeah. M-I-L-K. Milk. The king of the jungle is? Perfect. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Our national animal is dash. Children, which is our national animal? Tiger. Right. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. A dash gives us egg. Children, remember I had mentioned two animals that gives us eggs. So we will write both of the animals here. Alright? Hen. Then give a slash here and write duck. So both of these animals gives us eggs. Okay? If it is asked in the exam, you can write any one. Okay? Perfect. The next one. A dash catches rat. A cat catches rats. Okay? Next. A dash is a black and white animal. Children, do you remember which animal is black and white? It's the zebra, okay? So we will write here Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Great. So with this we have finished fill in the blanks. Now we will start with the B exercise, okay? Write P for pet animals and D for domestic animals. So children, here as you can see on page number 15, okay? Domestic animals are animals that live on farms or near our homes, okay? And pet animals are animals which we keep in our home, okay? So here are some animals which we keep in the farm and some of them we keep at home. So for farm animals we will write D, this one, and for pet animals we will write P. Alright? So let's start. So cow is a domestic animal, okay? So we will write D here. Dog is a pet animal, P. Sheep is also a domestic animal, D. And cat is a pet animal. Camel is a domestic animal and fish is a pet animal. Okay, children? So with this we are done with page 20. Okay? We will move on to page number 21, which is aquatic animals. Right? Yeah, so we will call out each aquatic animal first and then we will write down the spelling. Okay? Okay, so we will start with the first one. Children, which animal is this? Octopus. Then we have is frog, fish, crab, dolphin, penguin. Okay, now we're going to write the missing letters. Okay, so octopus, O C T O P U S, octopus. The next one is frog, F R O G, frog. Fish, F I S H, fish. The next one we have is crab, C R A B, crab. Dolphin, D O L P H I N, dolphin. Next is penguin, P E N G U I N, penguin. Alright children, you have to learn the spelling. Okay, the next one is color the only animal which live on land. So children, you have to only color the ones which live on land, not in water. Okay, so you have to color elephant, lion and the dog. Okay, this you can do afterwards. Alright, perfect. So with this we have finished page number 21. So we shall turn to page number 22. Match the animals with their names. So children, I know everybody loves matching, right? Yeah, so we are going to match each picture with its name here. Okay, so the first one we have here is horse. Children, where is horse here? Here, right? So we are going to match from this box to this one, which is horse. And don't forget to make the arrow, okay children, so that you can identify it. Alright, perfect. The next one we have is donkey, right? And where is donkey children? Here, it's right here below the horse, right? Yeah, so we're going to take from here and put it right down here and put the arrow. So this is donkey. The next one we have is tiger. And children, where is the word tiger here? It's right on top, no? So you will take this from here and go right up and then make the arrow. Perfect. The next one we have is zebra. And children, where is zebra in these three names here? It's right here. So we will take this and put it here. Put the arrow. This is a deer, right? So deer is here. So I am taking it here and putting it right here. The last one we have is the bear. Okay children? So with this we have completed page number 22. Alright? Are we together? Are we doing it together with each other? Perfect. The next one we have is page number 24. Children, we have already done homes of the animals, right? Yes, a cow lives in a shed. A horse lives in a stable. A bird lives in a nest. A sheep lives in a pen. A dog lives in a kennel. A lion lives in a den. A rabbit lives in a burrow. A hen lives in a coop. If you have forgotten these things, children, please go through the video, okay? Great. So we will turn to page number 24. Alright? So children, we will do this together, and the next pages I will give you for homework, okay? So you will do this one together. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. The answers are given here. See the spelling, children, and write the correct spelling here. Okay? A bird lives in a nest. N-E-S-T, nest. A dog lives in a kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. A hen lives in a coop. C-O-O-P, coop. A sheep lives in a pen. P-E-N, pen. A horse lives in a stable. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. A lion lives in a den. Okay, children? So now, help the busy bee find its way back home to the beehive. So we have to help the bee to reach home. Okay? So how we are going to do it? Let's see. Okay? We are going to start. We are going to follow the numbers. Okay? So we are going to do this way. The bee will go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Will it go here? It will go here, right? 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this way he reaches home. Okay, children? Perfect. So page number 25 is for homework. We will do it in the next class, okay? But you should do it by yourself. Page number 26 we have done, right? Animals and its baby. Cow and calf. House and horse and goat. Dog and pup. Cat and kitten. Goat and kid. Lion and cub. Hen and chick. Kangaroo and joy. So we have done this, children. If you don't remember, go through the video. Okay? Even page number 27 is for children. I hope that you complete your homework. Okay? Until then, take good care of yourself and don't trouble your parents. Okay? I will see you soon in the next class. Until then, take care.